let's do. So this is 90-degree parking, okay? We are going to left. Yes. We are going to left. If you can see behind you, there is a space filter, which we call filter for the parking.
Yeah.
So you have to take it full right from the same place.
Okay.
Look, it's very easy method. I will show you. From 90-degree, if you want to go to left. From 90-degree always, okay?
Okay.
There's two method is the same, but the places is change.
Yeah.
From 90-degree, if you want to go left, from same place full right.
Okay.
If you want to go to right, you go back. Half of the car should be in the road track, okay? Then take it full left.
Okay.
So first we will do it. Go to left.
Okay.
So full right from the same place.
Okay. So
Full right. Full right. Yes. Steering full right. And keep looking 360, like middle mirror, right mirror, and like by your eyes, by look back view. Keep coming and wait for the car. He's coming right now. Okay, he's there. Okay, you can go. Keep coming, unless your car is going straight. Okay, keep coming. Now only look in the front and middle mirror. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, great, super. Okay, so yes, make it steering straight. Put in drive mode, left indicator, and if you go straight, definitely you will hit there. So steering left little bit and check your shoulder mirror. Yes, for safety purpose. Okay, make straight. Go right. Just keep coming right. Don't push brake without pushing brake. If you are already slow speed, no need to push the brake. Okay. Go fast. Need to be drive active. Like so need to go fast, not slow that much.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go right. Okay, so you stop is in straight mode, right? When you go right, you should be bring your car and stop on the right mode, yes, like course.
Angle.
Yes,
Okay.
angle. Okay, yellow. Steering right, yellow, come right. And when you stop the car and you are in the angle position, okay, so definitely no need to turn steering too much. You're already in the right position. Go fast. Go right. So I'm gonna bring you to the place where your test will be start.
Okay.
So yeah, how to go out from the test, the street of the test. Keep going straight, double indicator, and keep distance. Okay, keep distance unless you see his car. You see the tire of the car, properly. Parking here. Full right. It's a 90-degree parking, okay? Make straight. Go front. Okay, that's it. Stop it. Now, when you do the handbrake, as I told you before, without pressing button.
Let's go correct.
Yes. Okay, now go left. No. First, prepare yourself from here.
Okay.
Yes.
Then outward.
Okay. Now you are going to the left. Is in 90-degree parking, so turn full right. The steering.
Okay.
Full right. Sometime if you get confused, just focus to know where is your right hand.
Okay.
So yeah, keep looking 360. Yes. Keep looking behind. Yes, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Leave the brake. Come smoothly. Keep coming. If there's no car, don't push brake, okay?
Okay.
But stop it. No problem. Don't worry. Okay, put in drive mode. Go fast. Okay, now we are going to the left, so turn your steering in advance left like this, okay? And you see there is a solid line, yellow line, middle of
Yes.
the track.
Mhm.
So avoid yourself from the touching the track, okay? Yellow,
Okay.
keep going, yellow, go fast. If there's no car, yes, just give the move to your car.
Okay.
Okay, make straight. Great. Go right. Go right. Okay, close to the, yes, garbage, close to more. Okay, slow down, there's a kiss.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Yes, like a wow. Be careful. Active yourself. Anytime can be happening. You know, this is the gate where you have to be enter. You know, the last moment. Maybe you are the last one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but we can't stop here.
Of course.
Okay. So now you have to go right. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Stop like this. Stop and turn more a little bit.
Okay.
Yes, okay, go look there. Because there's two tracks. One is on the right, one is on the left. So you
Okay.
always choose to be the right one.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, go right. Come right, come. Turn your steering more. Yes, more. Yes, good job. Make straight. Control on the brake in this small place.
Okay.
Control on the brake, okay?
Okay.
So this is the place where they will bring out your car.
Okay.
Like you start your test.
Mhm.
From
Coming
there
out.
you will come, and please, if you notice it, you cannot come straight because it's one way.
Okay.
So if you come out, put right indicator, go all the way to the right.
Okay.
So follow the road. Here, go.
Okay, so
Go
now we
left.
go.
Yes. If you can see this signboard, see? Did you see it?
Already, yeah.
Yes.
From that side, you turn.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Go openly.
Okay.
Yes. Make straight. So always obey the stop board or stop line. Go right. Turn right. Yes, good job. So whenever you come here, they will tell you two things. Slow down. Let me explain for you. They will tell you two things. One is only go right. I mean, they will tell you go right. Okay. If she said go traffic light right, so the first thing I will do it on you. Go right. Simple go right. There's two way from going out from here. Two ways. Go right. Traffic light right. So the first thing we will do it. Go right only. Okay.
Okay.
Keep going straight. We'll come again and we will do it traffic light right also.
Okay.
Keep coming, go right. Okay, right indicator. Keep focus on the left mirror and the left view. Okay, keep turning steering more. From here, yes, left indicator and check shoulder mirror and enter the road. Yes, like that. Okay.
Oh, okay. So either you go to the traffic light or you come back inside here.
Yes. So this is the simple go right. I mean, if she was telling you go
I
right.
understand, yeah.
touch the yellow line. Stop it first. Okay, you stop in angle. Okay, now turn more little bit. No, stop it properly. Yes. Okay, keep focus on the left side. Yes, yes, go. Keep coming. Yes, great. Super. Go fast. Slow down. Okay, before pushing brake, look in the middle mirror always.
Okay.
Like not only by by eyes for yourself. No, yes, move your head and show to me that you are looking in the mirror. Keep going fast. Double indicator. So active yourself to be ready for anything,
Okay.
Keep going. Anytime can be happen.
Okay, sure.
So for these people, look over the indicator. Okay, go fast. And it's very sharp right,
Okay.
It's very sharp right.
Okay.
So don't turn slow, keep controlling the brake. Full turn. Yes, sharp right.
Oh yeah, I see.
Yes.
I feel it.
So just go fast.
I feel it.
Right indicator, go right here. Yes, before the solid line. Okay, where's the stop board? Just stop. Okay,
Okay, like this.
yes, I give you the hint,
Okay.
and you get it. Okay, what is the purpose of stopping here?
Give way for guys coming in.
Okay, so
This
you have
side.
to look it in the back.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, if there is no, you keep looking, keep going, but be careful with the next coming car.
Okay.
Yeah, go fast. Give you the way, so he stopped up for you. Okay,
Yeah.
avoid from touching the line. Double indicator. Okay, go. Okay, so here is only one line, right? Okay, here if you can see, this is arrow. It's showing you left and straight.
Oh yes.
If you want to go after the solid line, you see the bus is going right? If you want to go right from there, okay, so you will go to the same line, stop on the stop
Okay.
line. Okay, if you want to go straight, it's give you the ways to change the left line, so you will go straight. In the test they will not change line.
Okay.
In the test they will not tell you to change the line. She will just tell you just go straight.
But since we're going straight, we stay straight.
Yes, stay straight, but you have to do by yourself.
Okay.
See, be careful. Anything can be happen anytime. He was in the middle line. I see
Yeah,
him.
I saw that.
And suddenly he came from the middle line. So be careful. Always before entering, even the last second, you have to check it again.
Okay.
stop line. It's an old stop line, so because there is no entrance, so just keep going straight. Okay. And the last time, if you remember, we did it from here only the option of go right.
Go right.
So this time we will go from traffic light right. Okay.
Okay.
Like she can say signal right, traffic light, anything. Okay. So what you will do, you see the next car how it did it, right?
Yes.
Left indicator. Okay. From here, turn left little bit. Okay. Stop your car in angle position. Okay.
Okay.
So at least you can see the white line. Don't hide it, the white line from yourself.
Okay.
Okay. Check your shoulder, check your mirror. If your track is free, you're gonna go. One, two, three. Check shoulder again. Okay. Yes. You sure it? Okay. Oh, great. Hello. Right line change. Assalamu alaikum barakatuh. Alhamdulillah. TikTok. Go straight. हाँ भैया बोलिए go right. Stick close to the right. आपका नाम क्या है? सुहेल. Okay, slow down. Wait for here. Okay. अच्छा सुहेल नाम है. जी बोलिए भाईजान. Go fast. Okay. Okay. उसको दुबई क्या नसीब मिलेगा? वो जो एक काम करो, मुझे आधे घंटे के बाद कॉल करो, मैं उधर ही आऊँगा, फिर मैं मिल लेता हूँ आपसे. लेफ्ट राइट चेंज. किधर रहते हो? लेफ्ट राइट चेंज. हाँ मैं उधर ही आऊँगा ना. ओके. उस बंदे को बोलो मुझसे डायरेक्ट रब्ता करो. ठीक है. Avoid from the line. Okay. Stop it here. Stop. Wait for the car. I'm sorry. Okay. So unless you feel that there is no car, you can go. Turn full left. Okay.
Yes, okay.
Turn full left.
I was about to ask you.
And go. You may go. And don't make straight. Don't worry. Don't go there. No need to go there. Okay.
Okay.
You can. Yeah. Make straight here. Control on the brake in that place. Okay.
Okay.
No need to give accelerator that much.
Okay.
So I mean, you should be controlled on the car.
Do I
Double
go?
indicator. No, you cannot change the line.
Okay.
Dual indicator. Yes. Go. Close indicator. Yes. Go parking. Turn right. Great, super. Keep coming. Okay, and keep coming unless you see the T here. Stop it. You see it?
Yes, I see.
Super.
I see.
Okay. So. Okay, great.
This is very strange, but it's okay. Okay.
So, what do you think about? You're gonna pass in the first attempt?
Yeah, I think so. I
It's so
believe so.
easy.
I hope so.
It's never happened, but I will try my best to prove it.
Yes, sir.
To be passed in the first attempt.
No problem.
Yeah. You go back. Keep looking in the back. Okay. When your half car is go out of the track. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Keep coming. Okay, full right.
Okay.
Keep coming. Bas, that's it.
Just straight. Okay.
Go right. And wait for her instruction. You cannot tell her that to go right. Go right. Because I've seen many times your hand is. Okay, so this is the main points how like in the test. Yeah. Parking. Yes, go straight. Make straight. Here what you will see that you're gonna feel that you are proper in the parking? What?
I think.
No, I will show you. No worries. Okay. You see in your front of the bumper, I mean for the front footpath, the parking footpath. You see
Yes,
it, right?
uh-huh.
The block and the white
Yeah.
and black blocks,
Mhm,
right?
uh-huh.
Okay. When you see it, keep going front. And right now, if you can see down of the mirror, it's not visible for you.
No, it's not.
Am I right? Okay. Just keep moving your car. Yeah, exactly right now.
Ah.
It's visible of
Yes.
down of your side mirror.
Yes, under the mirror.
Here you can see also same.
Under the mirror. Yeah.
Yes, so that is your perfect point. When you reach to this point, you
It's
just
enough.
feel it that is enough. You don't need to go more.
Okay, great.
Okay, handbrake parking the spot. I know you got confused. Okay, we'll go left. Great. No, you cannot go in the filter straight. Left indicator as soon as possible to go out.
Oh, okay.
In the
no.
engine position, yes. Go check shoulder, mirror, go. Go right. No, from this point, you check the shoulder. It was useless.
Yeah.
The police, he stopped this car. You just go fast. Stop it. Go left. No, you should be go near to the line. So
Okay.
at least you can be ready when you have a chance. You just run. Okay, yeah, go. Okay, so this kind of, you can say open U-turn, yes, you can say roundabout U-turn. So right indicator from here to give, yes, right indicator, choose to the left side, okay? Because in the right side there is a parking slots. So when you enter is already left indicator now. Keep left indicator and keep turning. Okay, that's much. Slowly, slowly. Stay on the right track. Stay on the right track.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. I'm going back now. Okay.
Yes. Stay on the right track. Great.
Okay, makes sense.
Okay, parking. Slow down. Look in middle mirror. Okay. And when the right line is equal to the handle, okay, to the door handle,
Okay.
is full right. So today, I mean your first day, so I'm not gonna stopping you to keep stopping and
Okay,
but next time keep move your car,
Okay.
even slowly, that's it. And here is no block. Instead of blocking, you have to watch the yellow line,
Got it.
when your yellow line is appear down of the mirror, so you have to stop it. Handbrake parking. Go. here's one more tricky point, and let me see how you do it. Handbrake down, and if you go to left, how you'll go?
Going to the left
Yes.
means I'll go to the right.
Go to the right.
This one.
Come on. Okay, stop. Because if you can see, the road is far from you, and here we have filter, but it's very small.
Okay.
If you turn right from here, okay, you are good, doing good job. But if you turn full right from here, you're gonna go out middle of the road and half within the parking slot. So just make a straight back. Okay, that's it. You're steering straight already. Yes. Okay. So little bit go back. How much little bit? How you know that how can start turning right? You know, when the yellow line is not appearing down of the mirror, it's hide from the mirror.
Yeah.
That's it. Full right from here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
That's a made by me, you can say, this points.
Okay, sir.
Okay, keep coming. Look over there. There's a car, right?
Yeah.
Okay, keep coming. He's in there. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. And unless your car is not straight, keep coming. Keep coming. Your car will be automatically in the middle of the road. Did you see it?
Yes, I saw it. Right and
Great.
left.
Yes. No. Put in drive mode. Okay. Go fast. Go right. Saturday, Sunday, it's fully loaded with train because everybody have off, you know.
Oh, yes, I understand.
These are the 2 days people they need more training. Slow down. Go left. Go. Excellent. Left. Go left parking. Perfect. Make straight. Assalamu alaikum sir ji. Sanga chale khay jodi. Ka mana Panazir mona ke sade ya. Chalat. Sana vita zadi. وهي کنه خیر ده امن ده کس سره مې رابطه شوې دو اوس تقریبا مشوم ته به شاوی نه ریسیو کو بس خدا دو چې بیا مړه لنجیر ته جوړی نشي خیال به ته وکړي صحیح دو مو سره خو نه دي شوي خدای شته خو سټاپ مو سره خو نه دي شوي خو چا بل چا نه مې اورېدلي وي چې بدل شوي دي بس خود خپله ښه پوهېږې دغه مې عمر ډېر دی خره عمر د کاجر وکړه نه نه هغه دغې کاس ولې دغې کاس ولې صحیح دو اوکے گو فرنٹ ہلو میں ابھی بلحاصہ میں ہوں بس ادھر سے نکلتے ہی میں آپ کو کال کرتا ہوں ٹھیک ہے اوکے بردر اب پیٹرول پمپ تک تو آ جاؤ گے کہ نہیں پیٹرول پمپ تک آ جاؤ گے نا تو ادھر پہ کوئی اے ٹی ایم ہے اچھا چلو صحیح تھوڑی لوکیشن مجھے واٹس ایپ میں دوبارہ مینشن کر دو اوکے 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 لیٹس وی گو No, we will go right. Okay, so usually we go to left and you turn for the right? And this is the time I'm going to show you how to do it, go right, okay? Keep coming straight, keep looking 360. Keep looking 360. Middle mirror, side mirrors, back view. Okay, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. When your car, keep coming, keep coming. Your shoulder is equal to the track.
Yes.
Did you see it? Okay.
Yes,
Full left.
Oh, okay.
Like I mean, you are half of the road. Okay.
Yes.
Bas. See?
Salah. It's good. It's good.
Okay.
Perfect.
Let's go fast. Go right. And stop your car like this. Go, go. Go right. Go straight. Go straight. No, just go more. Just go more. Go more. Okay, unless you still see, right? Go
Yeah, I
more,
can
go
still see
more,
that.
go more. Okay, that's it. अस्सलाम वालेकुम उस्ताद जी څنګه چل دی خیر جوړ امن ده زه صحیح شو صحیح زه رابطه ورسره کوم چې راوځي هلته کې هغه کفترې شاته زه پیپر ورکوم صحیح ده So, call me 3 times. वालेकुम सलाम څنګه چل انور نه نټی ته روزه په منډه شپه بازار کو او څومره ټیم ګرځي مثال ته کې ودرې نه نټی سره مخته ما درجه د شکې نور مخته نه لور شال ته کې په کچا کې ودرې صحیح ده هغه طرف ته پټرول پمپ طرف ته څنګه مایدو هغه کچا طرف ته شکې نور لور صحیح ده ها استاد نه د زدر روان یم او صحیح ده کچا کې ودرځه اوکې skip going straight left indicator change line but be careful behind the left side there you have car okay now go change line good job today is 18 right
Yes.
okay come openly let me show you first okay then you do it next time come openly see close to the line don't pushing brake too much okay just keep going smoothly and slightly turn staying straight slowly yes now go fast
Okay.
and after the white yellow line give right indicator check mirror shoulder and come to the right slightly okay go straight signal straight okay today I have more traffic as usual than other days you know go straight So for the right, stop your car in angle position like this in advance. Okay. Yes, bring your steering here and stop it like this. After stopping, turn more little bit. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Now go. Come. Yes. Keep going straight. Slow down. وعلیکم السلام انور بچا غد وک ټریننګ کارت تصویر دی تیار رو بس په موبایل کې ریډي کا سایدو سایدو خو تیار ریډي کروي بس تیار ریډي کا موبایل کې تیار ریډي کا ځدر سچ ریډي وي سایدو اوکے go straight go fast double indicator before pushing brake middle mirror. Okay. When you move your car, close the indicator. Okay. Just go straight, stay on the right track. Okay. Keep on the right track. Yes. Just go straight. Okay, middle of the roundabout, right indicator now.
Okay, this is one.
There's one guy, he stopped on the right side maybe. ته چې ته ویلوړې زه خو ته کې نرمندر تیر شته ته مو نه ولیدلې زه پر تیر خښ تللم ته چې ته ویلوړ وې ته مو نه ای دوکان سره ویلي چې ولته کې ودرېږه بس صحیح ده اوس په پیره به سبا ته ملوي صحیح ده سبا بیا ګورو نه بس صحیح ده اوکې بس صحیح ده زه کور ته ته به کلی ته ورځه صحیح ده ته به کلی ته ورځه ته ویلې درته ته چې مو زه دې راغلم نشه واپسې کې راونډ پړ زه بدل کې درېدای نشم ته ولته کې ودرېږه زه نشه درېدای ولته کې صحیح ده او سبا بیا ملویږو نه سبا بیا ملویږو زه دلته کې نشه دروښتی زه واپسې کې بیا راغلم یوټرن پټرول پمپ راونډ اباوټ ته definitely get it. Smoothly. Right. No. Why you left too much space on the right track? On the right side, you left too much space on the right. It is true. दादी कोर्निश तरफ था रोड है डबल तरफ था जब चलते किधर कहाँ पे पड़ा डबल तरफ था रोड है डबल तरफ था समंदर तरफ था रोड डबल तरफ था जगह पेट्रोल पंप तरफ नजर आ जर को कदर मैंने 30 तो बदर मैंने 13 इंच बदे खबर हुए स्लो डाउन रोड दाई जल्दी रोड स्लो डाउन داسې وکړه چې د لوندې ټول مې سره لوندې وکړي چې ټریفیک فایل نمبر لیکل ده چا نه پین راغلی چې خپل ټریفیک فایل نمبر دی ولیکه صحیح ده 624 داسې څه لیکلی دی د پاس ته سره استعماري باندې وکړه تصویر مو تر ولګه زه ته وښایم صحیح ده you get failed 5 times. Yes.
What? The final one? Police one?
No, the road assessment. Right now, current we are doing. Why? What happened? You're gonna pass in the first
scary.
time. No, it's not scary. It's so easy. People make hard for themselves, you know. But it's honestly so easy, the road assessment. Okay, right, you get to go. Don't touch line. If you touch line, they will notice it, they're gonna fail. Smoothly. Go. If you need to get close, put it again.
Okay.
paused. You can just press it for a while and
Okay.
close it again. Let's go fast. Left indicator, we'll go for left. This is your left.
Okay, yes, yes,
I
yes.
got it. Okay, go. Don't wait for this. Okay, make straight. I know you was trying to go there.
Inside.
I know. Right line change as soon as possible.
Okay.
So before we going out, we just try one more parking and we go out. Super. Keep coming. No, wait. Don't turn steering fast straight, okay? Keep coming. Keep it hold like this. No, keep it hold like this unless you see the T of your park slot.
Yeah,
And you see it, right? Is equal to your car.
yeah. See.
Both of them, the line and the car body shape is equal to each other. So then stop it and make it straight. And then if you need it to go more, then steering straight, then you go more a little bit.
Till I see T.
Yes.
See T?
Yeah, that's it. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Handbrake parking. Okay. Go. Wait for the car. Okay, keep coming. Keep coming. Full right. Keep while moving your car also.
Okay.
And then when you're middle of the track, okay, that's it. Let's go fast. Keep every 10 seconds, keep move your head like mirror, side mirror, left mirrors.
Okay.
It's coming good impression on the examiner, you know.
Yes, sir.
Keep going. We will go traffic light right.
Okay.
Go. Keep distance, yes. Keep going right. Da nambar pakai wali ka da nambar sa ilo. Asi kim juga traffic file nambar lika da nambar में दरवाजा da pakai wali ka. Go left indicator. Check shoulder. Go fast. Yes, left line change. Go left line change. Super. So we already complete today for the Bilhassa. What do you think?
Belasa
What you have
is tough,
experienced?
man. Belasa is tough.
Really?
Too many small things, huh?
And they will notice it really.
And you have to pay attention.
Yes.
Yeah. Pay attention. Too many small things happening.
Usually people they get failed and they think no, the Bilhassa is doing wrong. But for me, I said no, it's not doing wrong. He's doing a great job, you know.
There are too many small things to pay attention to.
Definitely.
And you have to listen to the instructor.
Yes.
guy did 5 times. Does it mean you have to start from theory again?
What do you mean? No.
Oh,
If he
okay.
go to final,
Oh,
if he
okay.
get failed in 3 attempts
3
in
times.
final,
Yeah. Okay.
so he will come back again to Bilhassa
Okay. Okay.
for the road assessment.
Assessment. Okay.
But usually we try our best to bring out him in a final, you know.
Okay. The 3 maximum.
Yes, maximum the 3-1. Third one maximum we try to bring it out. But sometimes the people have bad luck, really, you know.
Okay.
And they. Assalamualaikum मोहसिन, कैसे हो मोहसिन? हाँ जी बोलिए. मैं मोहसिन मैं मरजान में जा रहा हूँ, अभी जस्ट निकला हूँ मरजान आइलैंड, ठीक है. वहाँ पे स्टूडेंट ड्रॉप करके सीधा वापसी इधर ही आऊँगा. और अभी कार्ड शार्ट वो जो है ना स्टफ मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है. आपको कार्ड चाहिए, मतलब पैसे देंगे या पैसे निकाल के देने हैं मुझे? अच्छा मुझे पैसे देने हैं, ठीक है. तो दोनों सामान ले आओ. मुझे स्कूल जाके वहाँ से सामान लेना पड़ेगा. अगर आप सामान बाद में चाहिए मुझे पैसे दे दोगे तो वो भी चलेगा. चलो ठीक है, मुश्किल नहीं, मैं वापसी यहाँ से निकलता हूँ. चलो ठीक है. ठीक है. छुट्टी कितने बजे आपको? अरे बाप रे, क्यों? कोई ऑफर शॉफर? अच्छा अच्छा, कि नहीं कोई स्टाफ ऑफर भी नहीं है? स्टाफ डिस्काउंट एडिडास में? चलो एनीवे मैं मरजान से निकल के कॉल करता हूँ आपको, ठीक है. थैंक यू ब्रदर, थैंक यू. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. We'll go straight, okay. And as I said, go. We will always follow the lines.
Yes.
Okay, go fast. You are in the second, so you enter in the second. That's the second for you, okay.
Okay.
From the left side count, always right indicator from here. Yes. Always focus on the radar also. See, do you see this radar? Yeah, this radar, you see it?
Yes.